Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to transform this BMW E46 GTR lookalike replica. I don't know how I'm gonna call it, but yeah, we're going to change it to something more realistic and less toy grade. And if this is the first time you watch my videos, I'm Peter. I build custom scale model cars and RC cars, trucks, you name it, everything with wheels, for customers or for myself. First, I'm going to take this BMW apart and take off the decals. And I had a nice set 1/10 scale BBS lookalike wheels laying around from a real RC car. So I'm going to make these ones fit. But first, let's prep the body for its new paint. The body wasn't really damaged or something, so a light sanding will do. The original car had a huge wing on the back and I find it quite ugly. So let's close those holes and let's make a new spoiler. I put in some putty and after that I'm going to sand it smooth. I'm going to make a duckbill. I make this spoiler completely from scratch. Time for some putty again, and after that I'm going to sand it smooth. It's going to be quite nice, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. After that it was time for sanding again, washing the car and prepping it for its primer. When I was happy with the sanding, it was time to put on the first coat of primer. In total I put on 3 coats of white primer. And after this it's going to be purple metallic, but in some lights it looks blue. It looks almost like midnight purple from a Nissan Skyline R34, but it's not. This was after 2 coats of purple metallic. You already see the sparkle. But I wasn't happy with the finish, so I'm going to sand it again and put on some other coats. And after 2 or 3 layers again, I was happy with the finish. So it's time to put on the clear coat. And even without the clear coat, it's real nice and shiny. The color changes in the light. I think it's very nice. Now it's time to sand it a little and then it's time for the clear coat. Just a quick sand will do. I unfortunately didn't have a video from when I put on the clear coat, but this is after clear coat. And when you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, put on your notifications bell and watch my whole video please, you help me a lot. Now it was time to put the windows back in, but I decided to tint them. I used some cheap tinting vinyl, but it will do. And here you see the difference with the tinted window and original. So when the windows were back in, it was time to paint some details black. I used a matte black finish for a little bit more realism. Just a quick test fit with the new wheels and I think it looks awesome. And time for some more black details. Now it was time to make the interior a little less toy grade, a little bit more realistic. But unfortunately my phone died in the meanwhile, so I didn't have videos or photos from the finished interior. But here it's in. The car was original really high and I don't like that. And I'm going to fit this 12mm hex real RC cars on the toy grade chassis. I did it in a simple way by putting tape on the original axles. And even on the front the wheels will fit. For now it's going to be a static model, so it will not drive, but maybe in the future. All works smooth. And maybe in the future I think to transform it to a real RC car. Not toy grade, but a little bit more professional. But we shall see. And after the wheels fit nicely, I sanded a lot of the body posts, so it's nice and low. With this low stance you can't even drive it anymore, but it looks damn good. Some finishing touches like real stainless steel exhausts. I made it from an old radio antenna. The only thing the car was missing was a couple of side mirrors, so I found one or two from a Peugeot. Yeah, you hear it. But I think it turned out nice. And with this the project is finished. I want to thank you for watching this video. When you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share it with your friends and family, comment, put on your notifications bell, and I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.